Shouldn't you be looking for my cousin right now?
I am looking for your cousin right now.
Why are you asking me these questions?
Why are you avoiding me? Do you know what I do for the FBI?
No.
Study human behavior. Like, the way you're pushing your chair away from me. It tells me that what I'm saying is making you uncomfortable. Like, you're trying to distance yourself from me. Maybe from what I'm capable of reading about you.
Whatever.
Case in point, you bite your inner cheek. It's a nervous tick. Like you're holding on to something. Doing it right now. You're also doing it inside the arcade. And I think you were doing it because maybe, I don't know, maybe you remembered something more than what you told us.
No. I told you everything.
I don't know. I don't think you told us everything. I think something else happened inside that arcade. Something you haven't told anybody yet.